Alright guys, we have a new sub box to this channel. Well, kind of. This is the Blink Wink box. Now, I did unbox this maybe 2 years ago. I unboxed one box and then I don't know what happened, but they just stopped. COVID happened and I don't know if they went under, but they did do a relaunch. So they reached out to me. They did send me this box. So if you want to see what's inside, hear my thoughts and opinions, and is it worth the $32.99 a month? And keep on watching. Okay, so like I said, this is the Blink Wink box, and they just started up. I've been saying that I've been wanting to like do different things on this channel, go back to the other boxes that I haven't done for a while. I'm thinking about re-signing up for Allure just to see if they got any better. When this company reached out to me, at first I was kind of on the edge, but I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and try it and see, because I know a lot of companies went under kind of with COVID and stuff, you know what I mean? So let me tell you a little bit about this box. This is $32.99 a month, and this is more that everything has to do with the eyes. So eyelashes, eyeshadow, eyeliner, mascara, everything to do with the eyes, you know? So that's basically all that I know. So let's open her up. This is for June. I have not opened her up. I don't know what's in this month's box. How do you open it? Okay, the tape's over here. Okay. So when you open her up, I messed up because I thought here you opened it and it's not. Look at that. You get like a little mirror. Look at my little ring light. That's pretty cool that you get that. Alrighty. Alright, let's take everything out. You get between 6 and 9 items, and I do not see a card. Let me count how many things you get.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I don't know if I'm counting 10 or 11. You get a lot of stuff for $32.99. Okay, so let's go over the eyelashes. So you get 4 different eyelashes. All right, so these, are they all? These are 5D lashes. Now, I don't wear eyelashes, but my daughter does, so she will love these. So I'll show you the first one. Very, like, these are right up her alley. We have this one here. We have that one. And then we have that one. I hope you guys can see that. So you get eyelashes, and 4 of them, that's pretty good if you like eyelashes. Okay. Then it looks like here you get 3 palettes, but we'll hold them off. Let's see what these things are. Okay, so this is a lash glue eyeliner. Lash Attack. Okay. So these are probably that magnetic, right? Are these what they are, the magnetic? I'm not sure, but that's pretty cool. I like that. Okay, the next thing is a cream gel eyeliner from Amore Us, and in the shade Aqua. Ooh, I tell you guys all the time, I love putting different eyeliners in my waterline, you know? Like color ones. They really will bring out your eyes. It doesn't matter if you have brown eyes, blue eyes, purple eyes, green eyes. Look at that. That is really pretty. Ooh. That's gorgeous. Look at that. All right, I'm gonna put this on and love you. Yes, I am. Okay, so then we have another gel eyeliner in Lemon. Ew. These are both from Amore's. Okay, so there, it's yellow. Oh wow, this is really pigmented. Holy crap, look at that yellow. Okay, so we have that. So those are the 3 things there. So you have the eyeliner for the lashes, and then you have a blue and a yellow eyeliner. All right, so then you have, it says an eye topper from J-Cat Beauty. It's a holographic 3D eye topper. Yes. Oh, that's pretty. That is really pretty. Okay. So it's like one of these applicators. Ooh. Okay, let me pat it and see what it does. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It's very, very pretty. All right, all right, all right. I love stuff like that. All right, and then we have 3 palettes. Okay, so this says the Escape Ordinary. This is from, oh, Cara Beauty. I love Cara Beauty stuff. I love their eyeshadow. I love how it has the green, the mint color with the pink. I like that. Okay, so that's what she looks like on the back. There. Ew, this is nice. So you have a nice mirror, but would you look at that? I mean, let me just show you. There's so, look at that. Look at that. I've tried a lot of her products. I really, really like her eyeshadow formula. That's just going in one time. Really, really nice. Okay, so the next one is from Oakland. This is Neon Splash. Oh, she neon. So you have a mirror, and look at this. I'm not gonna swatch this because I'm gonna be honest. I have a lot of eyeshadows like this, and I'd rather put this in a future giveaway instead of just swatching it once and then I don't use it. You know what I mean? I'd rather give it to somebody that will use it. But that's just absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and then last but not least is from Be Bella Cosmetics. This is my Orange Squeeze Shadow Palettes. Ooh, that's pretty too. All right, so you have a nice mirror. Would you look at that? Now, I love me some orange eyeshadow, so I'm definitely gonna swatch this. Now I see why she chose a yellow and like a blue eyeliner, like the yellow. I see why with the eyeshadows. I really, really like this. Okay, let's recap everything that you would get for $32.99. So you get the Orange Squeeze palette. You get the, oh! See how excited I am? You get the Neon Splash palette. You get, where's the Cara one? This I'm very excited for. You get the Ordinary, the Escape palette. So I'm really excited for that. You get 4 lashes. You get 2 eyeliners. You get, what is this called again? Lash Attack, I was gonna say Attack. Attach lash glue liner. I love it when companies put this when you get lashes, because somebody like me, if I want to try eyelashes, I don't have the glue or anything. So I'm glad they put this in here, and then you get a topper. I think this was really good for $32.99. Well, let me know what you think. I mean, you have to be into lashes and stuff, you know what I mean? But I think it's a pretty decent box for them coming back and relaunching. Let me know what you think. Let me know down below. Do you think it's worth the $32.99? Would you get it? Would you not? And do you want to see me unbox this anymore? Like next month, let me know. I do have a code. It's JustAnn, like the rest of my codes, all in caps. Can save you some money off. Again, I don't make anything out of it. So if you want to try it, and if you made it to the end. So when the company reached out to me, like I said, I was kind of wary because, like I said, they opened before. I did it for 1 month, and then with COVID and everything else, so I didn't kind of like how that went. So I said to them, if you let me do a giveaway, and, you know, then I'll think about it. And then I thought about it, and I said, you know, I'm into this thing about, like, forgiveness and, like, letting people get second chances and stuff like that. So They said yes, so there is going to be a giveaway. So if you want to win a 3-month subscription, you just have to do like you did before. You have to be subscribed, you have to like this video, and you leave a comment because I do a comment picker. If you want an extra entry, then you have to go to my second channel, go to my latest video, let me know you did both, but subscribe to that channel and you get an extra entry, but that is not mandatory, but you do get an extra entry. So make sure you look at my description box, see the date that it's over, and then give me a few days, because sometimes it takes me a while, and double check your comments, because YouTube isn't giving notifications. So make sure you double check and see. And now look, there's a lot of scammers going around. I won't tell you to text me a phone number or anything else like that. You know what I'm saying? So if you have an Instagram and you're comfortable leaving your Instagram, leave it down below, because I think it's easier if I get a hold of you through Instagram. Do you know what I mean? Then you can see that it's me. But yeah, that is everything. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think of this subscription box. All right, I'm gonna stop now. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.